Equivalence relation and partition means an equivalence relation groups related elements, and a partition divides a set into distinct subsets. Okay, here are examples. So, muna akong example. Example is, set A is equal to the set of 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We define the equivalent relation R as R is a relation that consists of the ordered pairs. 5 is related to 5, 5 related to 6, 6 related to 5, 6 related to 6, and 7 related to 7, 8 related to 8, 9 related to 9. The number 5 and 6 are related because the pairs 5 related to 6, and 6 related to 5 are in the relation R, which makes 5 and 6 is equivalent. The number 7 and 8 and 9 are reflexive only, meaning they are related only to themselves. 7 related to 7, 8 related to 8, 9 related to 9, so they are not related to others. So dili sila related. Kaya kaning 7 is related lang sila sa ilang kaugalingon. They are related itself. Unlike sa symmetric nga related sila others, like 6 related to 5, 5 related to 6. So kana. So unya matakal ra na unya ang three properties sa equivalence. So there are three properties, no? Reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Okay. Reflexive, our relation R is called reflexive if its element is related to itself. This means for all elements E and the set E, the pair E related to E must be in the relation R. So mo na kung ingon gayon na nga si reflexive is related siya sa kanang iyang kagulingon, no? For example, ani akong gigamit nga example is E related to E. So related lang siya sa iyang kaugalingon, no? So example nako is let A equal to 5, 6, 7, and 9. So kani sila ma-relate ako din sila sa kanang kaning sa ilang kaugalingon lang, no? Pero sa 5 related to 5, and 6 related to 6, 7 related to 7, 8 related to 8, and 9 related to 8. So mao na si reflexive. Si reflexive is related lang siya sa iyang kaugalingon, no? So next is symmetric. Okay, unsa man symmetric? Symmetric, our relation R is called symmetric if one element is related to another, the second must also be related to the first. Okay, no? And if the pair E related to B exists, then the pair B related to E must also exist. So, muna akong example, no? Let E equal 5, 6, and R equal to 5 related to 6, and 6 related to 5. No? So, ano sila? Since 5 related to 6 is in the relation, and 6 related to 5 must also be there. So, the relation is symmetrical because if 5 is related to 6, and 6 is related to 5. So, muna akong ingon gayon na nga si symmetric is related siya sa other. So, related siya sa another nga number, no? So, for example, ani nga, si 5 related to 6, and 6 related to 5. So, meaning nga, so, example na ko, ana is, kanang, ako, amigo niya, kanya siya, amigo na ako. So, muna akong best nga example, aning symmetric, no? Like, kalahian sila duha sa reflexive. Kaya si reflexive is related lang siya sa iyang kaugalingon, no? It should be related lang siya sa iyang kaugalingon. Unlike aning symmetric nga related siya sa others, no? And next is transitive. So if E is related to B and B is related to C, then E most related to C. There are E related to B, and B related to C, and E related to C. So example ako ani is example is let E equal 5, 6, and 7. Relation R equal 5 relation to 6 and 6 relation to 7 and 5 relation to 7. So, kaning transitive, sa akong example nga gihatag ina is dili siya connected. No, walay akong example gina is walay transivity. Walay ako'y transitive. So, na akong gingan dili is no fair connecting different elements except 5 and 6. So, ang nalan dito is ang 5 ug ang 6. So, mo to silang matawag na, mo to siyang gitawag na symmetric. So, and no other element related to 5 or 6 will require transivity. So, ang makapuloob lang sa akong example is si symmetric ug si reflexive, no? Naa lang sa ako ang example, so wala koy transitive, no? Since there are no cases that require a third element connection, my relation is implicitly transitive for my set E. So matawag siya nga implicitly transitive, no? Kay wala may cases sa akong example, wala koy cases nga matawag siya nga transitive, no? So next is ang partition. The equivalence relation will partition set E into subset as 5 relation to 6 and 7, 8, and 9. So makita nato diri nga si 5 ug 6 is nakaseparate sila sa by group pero nasa related sa lain nga number, no? Kani si 7 matawag ni siya nga reflexive pag once nga related siya sa iyang kaugalingon. For example, 7 related to 7, 8 related to 8, and 9 related to 9. No? 5 and 6 are a group because they are related. So, mo akong gingon gina. And the 7 and 8 and 9 are separate groups because they have no relationship with 5 and 6 or each other. So, kani sila, nagkalain-lain ni sila o nakasepart ni sila nagkalain-lain. But, na sila diferensya. Si 5 ug 6, muna siya matawag nga symmetric. Okay, na siya ay separate siya sa other nga number. Pwede na sila mabaliktad. 5 relation to 6 and 6 relation to 5. Kining 7, 8, ug 9 is related lang sila sa ilang kagalingon. No? 7 related to 7, 8 related to 8, and 9 related to 9. So, mo na niya akong topic karon, no? Equivalence relation and partition.